Smoketown traffic, Cessna 63524 is on departure leg for 28 Smoketown. Smoketown traffic, Cessna 63524 is going to turn left crosswind, and then we'll depart the pattern Smoketown.
Cessna 65424, go ahead with your request.
Yes, Cessna 63524 is at 1,300, climbing 2,000, 1 mile south of Sierra 37, would like VFR flight flying to November 57.
November 63524, squawk 4212.
4212 for Cessna 63524.
Cessna 63524, radar contact 3 miles south of Smoketown Airport at 1,600. Traffic is 10 o'clock and 2 miles, helicopter 2,500, inbound to Lancaster.
Roger, looking out for the traffic, Cessna 63524.
Skyhawk 63524, are you able to maintain VFR at 3,000?
Roger, climbing to 3,000 for Cessna 63524.
Roger, and advise if you have that traffic in sight, just off your left in about 1.5 miles, helicopter 2,500, same direction.
Roger, looking for the traffic, 524.
Skyhawk 63524, traffic no factor, altitude your discretion now.
Roger, at your discussion, thank you, 524.
Skyhawk 524, contact Potomac approach 124.35.
124.35 for Cessna 63524, good day.
Good day.
Southwest 1911, Philadelphia departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,010.
10,000, Southwest 1911.
Cessna 63524, Philadelphia approach, Philadelphia altimeter is 2997. You're going to New Guard?
Affirmative.
524, roger, proceed on course, altitude your discretion.
Roger, proceed on course, altitude at our discretion, thank you, 524.
Southwest 1911, turn right direct Pottstown.
Right turn to Pottstown, Southwest 1911.
Philly approach, Cessna 63524 at the field in sight, would like to cancel via flight following.
November 524, roger, air service service, walk VFR, frequency change approved, take care.
Chester County, Carlson Airport, automated weather observations 2333 Zulu. Wind 310 at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 2 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 3005 inches of mercury. Remarks density altitude 1700.
And 524, current winds at New Garden are 315 at 10.
Roger, thank you, 524. And New Garden traffic, Cessna 63524 is crossing over in midfield at pattern out to 1,500, and then we'll turn left downwind for 24 New Garden. New Garden traffic, Cessna 63524 is turning left base for 24, full stop New Garden. Before landing, mixture full rich, carb on, flaps as required. It is at 70, normal landing. And New Garden traffic, Cessna 63524 is final, 24, full stop New Garden. In, flaps up, and correction.